I'm Jens Neuse. At WunderGraph, we help companies like eBay and SoundCloud to federate APIs without losing control. But at scale, the real problem isn't tech anymore. It's about coordination. Design and governance happen through Jira tickets, Figma screenshots, and endless alignment meetings. It is chaos, and that's why we built Hub. Hub is a collaborative workspace for your federated graph. Import the Subgraph and instantly see every type, every field, every subgraph and how they connect. Trace relationships across services, spot existing capabilities, and see who owns what. Your entire graph on one canvas. But exploration is just the start. Let's say your team needs a new feature. Instead of writing backend code, you start with your dream query. The exact API shape the UI needs. Pick existing fields or add what's missing. And Hub handles federation composition automatically. Entities, keys, cross-service wiring, all handled for you. When you're ready to implement, simply create a proposal. Hub identifies affected subgraphs, assigns the necessary reviewers, and runs schema checks against production traffic. Breaking changes are flagged early, not in production. Every change has an audit trail. Your team gains velocity without losing oversight. If you're scaling federation, especially in the age of AI, Hub lets you ship faster and evolve your graph with confidence. Try it now for free.